Right, we're given the first three terms of a series, and we're told that the rule to get to the next number is add 4 and then divide by 2. And a quick check, yes, 20 plus 4, 24, divide by 2. And again, a quick check here, 12, add 4, 16, divide by 2, 8. And they've asked us to work out the first term that is not a whole number. So let's number these terms. This is n equals 1. What's the next term going to be? Well, we're going to add 4, which is 12, and we're going to create a value of 6. And what about the next term? We're going to add 4, 10, and divide by 2, 5. I can see the next time we do this, because we've got an odd number, the next term, add 4 to this, we get 9, and divide 9 by 2, we get 4.5. And what term is this? Well, n equals 4 here, n is equal to 5 here, n is equal to 6. So the answer is the 6th term, and that is your answer. So there's the series as it stands, and they want us to work backwards to this value here. Well, the rule of add 4 and then divide by 2 in reverse is multiply by 2 and then subtract 4. So let's do that to the 9. We've got to do this twice. So we multiply by 2, that's 18, then subtract 4, so this will be 14. And if we do it again, multiplying by 2 is 28, and then subtract 4, and we get 24. As a very, very brief check, we just checked going from the 24 to 14, obeying the rule, add 4, 28, divide by 2, 14. Yes. So I'm confident that 24 is your answer.